So, remember this one? A lot of times in physics, the most difficult part of solving a problem is setting up the problem and just writing out what is all the information and how is it going to fit together. So let's take this one, and what I'd like you to do is just pause the video and copy it down. I mean, it seemed crazy. Mary is 3 times as old as her son is, period. In 12 years, Mary's age will be 1 year less than twice her 1 year less than twice her son's age 12 years from now. So, yeah, pause the video and just copy the whole thing down. So, let's just take it one step at a time, okay? Mary is 3 times as old as her son is. Well, let's have M for Mary, and you figure out a letter to use for son and write that equation, okay? That's one equation. Well, duh. Mary is 3 times as old as her son is. So there's Mary and son, but it's not 3 times as old. No, the son is younger, so it's going to be M equals 3s. That's always kind of confusing which side to put the number on. But because Mary's older, just think about it. Okay, she's old, he's a kid, so he has to be the 1 times 3 to equal her age. Okay, now the next part gets really weird. In 12 years, okay, Mary's age will be, so we're going to take Mary, we'll write that phrase. Mary's age in 12 years, what's that going to be? Well, yeah, it's going to be M plus 12. Mary's age in 12 years. Then it says will be 1 year less than twice her son's age. So first of all, there's going to be an equation, so let's put an equals here. And in this case, it's going to be twice her son's age. Let's not worry about 1 year less than, just put twice her son's age. Okay, so that's 2 times her son. Okay, now the trick is here, her age will be 1 year less than twice her son's age. Now, if her age is 1 year less than twice her son's age, but it's not her son's age, it's her son's age 12 years from now. So that means we have to put a plus here of 12. And don't forget parentheses, remember PEMDAS, because twice her son's age 12 years from now. Now, I'm hoping that you're seeing, oh, I could do this. Don't just copy down what I'm doing. Make sure it makes sense, because I'm trying to teach you how to do this, not how to copy down an answer. Okay, now here's the trick here. She will be 1 year less than him. So where does the 1 go? Well, since she's going to be 1 year less old than this whole side, we need to add 1 to her to make it be equal. So let's put another 1 here. Okay, so now we have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. That's going to be M plus M13, the Mexican gang. I didn't say that. M plus 13 equals, and over here it's going to be 2 times everything in the parentheses, so do it. Go ahead, write it down. Do it right, don't just follow me. Think. Got it? Are you sure you got it? Okay, then I'm just going to say 2s plus 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, now, so this equation here now is saying everything that the second sentence is saying. And it looks kind of weird, but that's because we had to have 1, and that's why it's 13 instead of 12 over here. Okay, well, now, oh, wait a second. M equals 3s. So we can substitute here and take that M, and instead of writing M here, let's write 3s. Just pull it down. Plus 13 equals 2s plus 24. Now, this looks kind of solvable, right? Because there's 1 equation and only 1 unknown. It's called s. So if we take 2s and 3s here, we can subtract 2. Well, do it, okay? Solve for s. What do you get? Stop the video, do the solution. Okay, well, since you obviously got this already, I'm just going to subtract 2s from both sides. And that means we'll have s here, and those guys cancel out. And then equals, no, they didn't equal 1, equals s. Equals 24, and now let's subtract 13 from both sides. And of course you already did this, so that's easy. So that goes out to nothing here, and 24 minus 13 is 11. So that means S, the son's age, equals 11. 11 years. Okay. Well, if the son's 11, Mary must be 3 times that. So M equals 33 years. That's son, and that's Mary. Okay, so that's our answer. But is it the right answer? Well, it should be pretty easy to figure out, because remember, we have 2 equations. They each have a line, and they cross at one point, and the point is S, comma, M, or 1133. Well, let's see if it works out here. First of all, if M equals 3S, that would mean 3 times 11 equals 33. Oh, so far so good. And now we have to do this other one here, where we got to plug in 33 here and 11 here. But what we're saying is Mary's age in 12 years. Well, Mary's age in 12 years is going to be 33 plus. We fit that in? Oh, better go down a little bit. Yeah. Okay. M plus 12 is going to be 33 plus 12. That'd be 45. Okay, so now, of course, the son's age in 12 years is going to be 12 more than 11. So M is going to be, and S is going to be 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 equals 23. Okay, great. So now we have, at that point, it's going to be like that. But actually, it's not the son's age you want. It's going to be twice the son's age. So we've got to multiply 23 times 2, and that equals 46. Which is, whoa, 1 more than 45, which is exactly what it says. She'll be 1 year less than twice his age. Done. So, this big old hiccup problem here turns out to be quite solvable if you just take it one step at a time. And I think that's the right attitude to think. You know, I can do this physics problem, I just have to take it one step at a time. So, now you know how to solve really complicated word problems, how to set up really complicated word problems, and therefore how to solve them.